as well is people don't realize that when they buy the $900 legacy builder, they are not buying a lotto ticket. They are buying 4 streams of income with an ongoing business model and support. Now,
Exactly.
if you want to go and buy a KFC franchise, please come back to me and tell me what your requirements are going to be, how long it's going to take for you to be able to gather everything together to qualify to have that franchise. And then you're going to be boxed in with what you are allowed to and not allowed to do. And your earnings will never be 100%. So
No,
I am quite confident in this business model because of the skills that are taught. And it's not skills that are taught to you today and then tomorrow it's not relevant. It's an ongoing program. So as things change in the marketplace, as things change with technology, you are going to be on the forefront with your business. Because yes,
exactly. And the
we
wonderful thing is it's a one-time payment for that training. It's not a monthly recurring thing. It's once of $39, and I call social media a living organism.
yes.
What was relevant maybe 6 months ago or 8 months ago might not be relevant anymore, or the hashtags or the SEOs or something changed. And that's the wonderful thing from Michelle, our mentor. She constantly brings in what's happening, pivot a little bit, look at this. How can we grow on the other platforms? It's not just TikTok. If TikTok isn't your thing, you can use the other platforms. But that's what I love. In the 10 months, I've never been up to date with training with her. And it's not because I don't want to, but there is constantly new things coming in. And she is so, so committed that every single day she leaves us between a 5 and a 7 minute nugget to help us to stay motivated or to pivot or to use the latest platforms to help us with content.